watermelon and coconut sorbet. Place the sugar, the water, and mint in a large saucepan over low heat. Cook, stirring, for a minute or until the sugar dissolves. Set aside to cool completely. Place the watermelon in a blender and blend until smooth. Add the watermelon puree to the sugar syrup and stir to combine. Strain through a fine sieve into a jug, pressing with the back of a spoon to extract as much liquid as possible. Add the coconut cream and stir to combine. Pour the watermelon mixture in a shallow metal container and cover with foil. Place in the freezer for 4 hours or until almost set. Use a butter knife or metal spoon to break up the watermelon mixture and quickly transfer it to a food processor. Process until smooth. Return it then to the metal container. Place in the freezer for another 4 hours. Again, use a butter knife or metal spoon to break up the sorbet. Add egg white and process until smooth and pale. Return to the container. Freeze overnight or until set. Spoon into serving glasses.